Hello everyone. Once again, a warm welcome to all our lovely supporters and viewers of Astrofast Club, where we make space for everyone. Hope you all are doing good in this pandemic period, and today we are here to discuss about the 10 most amazing space discoveries of 2020. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel to unravel the unknown documentations of space. So, without further delay, let us get started. Space is that infinite platform which has limitless boundaries containing tiny particles to huge celestial bodies. Every fraction of a second, there creates a countless new celestial objects, and many phenomena happens in space at every second. But we can't be able to detect all those. However, researchers discover new observations every year. Let us discuss now some of those amazing space discoveries of this year. Number 1. Water in exoplanets. Astronomers detected that water vapor can potentially be found in the atmosphere of exoplanets. The team has demonstrated by applying the technique to model based on a known exoplanet. According to the principle, the high-resolution spectroscopy can be used to examine the atmosphere of exoplanets, which were too difficult previously because of dense clouds for which it's difficult to pass sufficient light through. Astronomers use light from another planet's host star to study the composition of atmosphere of exoplanet. By analyzing, the astronomers confirm that there are present chemicals like water vapors, methane, ammonia, etc. on the surface of exoplanets. Number 2. AstroSat discovery. AstroSat is one of the astronomical missions of India which is found to be successful for its findings. Recently, AstroSat has detected UV radiation from a galaxy named AUDFS01, which is 9.3 billion light years away from Earth. The discovery was conducted by Inter-Union University for Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics (IUCAA) with a foreign collaboration with the countries like Switzerland, France, USA, Japan, and Netherlands. The Ultraviolet Imaging Telescope (UVIT) has recorded extreme ultraviolet radiation emission from the galaxy, while in earlier days Hubble Space Telescope (HST) of NASA couldn't be able to detect any emissions from this galaxy because the galaxy was too faint and difficult to detect. This is actually a great discovery of the decades that might be helpful for the scientists to reveal the end of dark ages and also the details about Big Bang, which will boost the upcoming cosmological research in future. Number 3. Life on Venus. What do you think? Is life possible on Venus' surface? Next latest discovery of the year showed about it. The soaring surface temperature of Venus cannot possibly sustain life. Hence, it was predicted that life forms will be found in the clouds. Recent detection of phosphine in the clouds presses to the fact that if life is out there on this hellish planet, then it's likely to be cloud-like. Though it varies with its atmosphere and climate, still Venus is Earth's evil twin, as we know, because of its same size and composition. Venus has a surface covered with basaltic lava, and studying the sudden spikes in sulfur dioxide, one can deduce that the planet has quite a number of active volcanoes. Under such conditions, production of phosphine on the surface is less likely to have happened. Moreover, the thick atmosphere of the planet exerts a massive force of 1300 pounds per square inch on the surface. That's the reason why multiple spacecraft had crushed when they landed on the surface. Hence, the possible explanation is if there's life on Venus, then it's likely to be thriving in the clouds. Number 4. Discovery of Pi Planet. Researchers discovered an Earth-sized planet with a 3.14 day orbit. The planet revolved around its star with a pi-like period of 3.14 days. The planet K2315b has a radius of 0.95 just like Earth, and it orbits around a cool, low-mass star which is 1/5 the size of Sun. The surface temperature of it is around 450 Kelvin. It is terrestrial like Earth, but it's still not habitable like Earth as atmosphere of it is too hot to resist. Number 5. Detection of massive black hole collision. One of the greatest discovery of the year is detection of black hole collision. A team of international gravitational wave astronomers has detected that the huge collision of distant black holes recorded till then. According to the researcher, this is the first ever collision recorded which leads to the formation of a black hole and is 142 times heavier than the Sun. This was discovered by the collaborators of Laser Interferometer, Gravitational Wave Observatory and Virgo Interferometer. The signal of the collision was detected 17.2 light years away. The discovery is really exciting as it opens a new line of interpretation in the world of astronomy. Number 6. ALMA detection. Atacama Large Millimeter Array is an astronomical interferometer used for observing electromagnetic radiations. A young variable star named Rulu in the Lupus constellation was detected by ALMA, which revealed a great set of spiral arms made of gas. The spiral structure looks like a mini galaxy that spans far beyond the compact dust disk. Scientists suggest this is a reason of spiral arms that the disk may collapse under its own gravity or Rulu may interact with another star. And the other possibility is that disk is interacting with its environment and creating interstellar material along with the spiral arms. Number 7. Giant halo around Andromeda Galaxy. Our nearest neighboring galaxy have an immense halo of gas discovered by NASA's Hubble telescope. Researchers are surprised to find the invisible halo of diffuse plasma extends 1.3 million light years away from the galaxy. Looking through the immense halo, the team observed the absorption of light by the halo and the changes of halo in different regions. That halo has a layered structure with two main nested and distinct shells of gas. This is the most important comprehensive study of a halo surrounding a galaxy. Number 8. Discovery of BEC. The mysterious state exists called Bose-Einstein condensate state, which was predicted a century ago by researchers couldn't be able to prove its existence. Recently, scientists revealed the presence of the fifth state and they found some exciting facts on which could help to find a new way towards quantum computing, communications, quantum gravity, and to solve quantum universe conundrums. Team of NASA scientists observed the experimental results of BECs aboard the International Space Station for the first time. This condensate is an exotic ultracold gas studied in space which could be used to build quantum sensors that probe may lead to identify the property of universe with extreme precision. Number 9. Detection of young galaxy. Young galaxy ASP-T0418-47 was detected by astronomers which is similar to a Milky Way galaxy. Using ALMA Atacama Large Millimeter Array with ESO, European Southern Observatory, this revelation detected. The galaxy is far away and its light has taken more than 12 billion years to reach our galaxy. A rotating disk and a bulge are two typical features similar to our Milky Way galaxy. Bulge is a group of stars packed tightly around the galactic center. The result breakthrough in the field of galaxy formation and detection. This is the first time a bulge has been detected in the history of the universe. Number 10. Space Butterfly Capture. A planetary nebula NGC 2899 was captured using FORS instrument by very large telescope of ESO. In the picture of nebula, it appears to float and butterfly across the sky. It looks like butterfly-like shape with its beautiful color and intricate patterns. The object located 3,000 and 6,500 light years away in southern constellations of Vela. This image was detected under the ESO Cosmic James program for producing interesting visually attractive objects using ESO telescope for the purpose of education and public awareness. So guys, I end my video over here for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video and please do stay safe and healthy and also stay tuned with ISRO Fans Club to get more amazing and massive updates on space like this. Thank you.